Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start inside starter player scripts by creating a local script so the camera runs client-side. Once created, grab local player and workspace. Current camera and immediately set camera. Camera type to enum. Camera type. Scriptable, this stops Roblox's default camera from fighting your code. Next, register run service. Render stepped and update the camera each frame. This ensures smooth, frame rate linked motion. Make sure the local script runs for the player and not the server. This is the only reliable way to fully control camera movement on the client. Now you'll capture input and translate it into a target camera transform. Use user input service to read mouse delta and keys. Use context action service for toggles like sprint or hold to pan. Convert accumulated yaw/pitch into a target C frame using C frame. Angles and the character's position or a follow offset. Once done, smooth the motion by interpolating with C frame lerp, target C frame, math. Clamp delta time asterisk smoothing speed 0, 1, inside render stepped. Make sure to clamp pitch to avoid flipping and scale mouse by finish by polishing smoothing and safety. Add damping for velocity-based motion or exponential lerp to remove jitter. Include a collision raycast if you need camera obstruction handling. When the player leaves or the character responds, reset camera. Camera type and disconnect render step to avoid orphaned updates. If things go wrong, check the output for errors and confirm the script is a local script in starter player scripts. Server scripts cannot access the local camera. Also make sure code runs after character spawn so the follow position exists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.